Group and Block Tools Function Introduction Group Module. Group Switch. This command is used to open or close the group. The TSSD software adopts the concept of groups from CAD, treating each set of text output by multi-line text or planar annotation commands as a group. The multi-line editing command can be used to edit and modify the entire group of text. When the group is closed, entities inside it can be selected and edited individually. When a group is opened, selecting one entity within the group will select all entities in the group, which is very convenient for arranging the drawing layout. Create New Group. This command is used to create a new group from the selected entities. Click the Create New Group function, select Entity to create group, press Enter to finish selection. Enter the group name. Group created successfully. Ungroup. This command is used to explode the selected existing group to restore it into individual entities. Click the Ungroup function. Select any entity in the group to be exploded. Group exploded completed. Merge groups. This command is used to combine the entities of one group into another group. Click the Merge Groups function. Select the entities to be merged. Select entities to merge on target group. Group merging completed. Add entities to group. This command is used to add new entities to an existing group. Click the Add Entities to Group function. Select Entity to join group. Select any entity of an existing group. Entity added to group completed. Move entities among groups. This command is used to move entities between two groups. Click the Move Entities Among Groups function. Select entity to be removed from existing group. Press Enter to confirm. Select any entity to move in group. Entity move between groups completed. Remove entities from group. This command is used to remove unwanted entities from an existing group. Click the Remove Entities from Group function. Select entity to be removed from existing group. Press Enter to confirm. Entity removal from group completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.